And one of the challenges that I have is figuring out like what's the best keyword for my article. What are your thoughts on using your guest as one of the key words for your blog posts?
I think it's a great idea. Why wouldn't you? Especially if your guests are popular. Like, let's say Tony Robbins. Tony Robbins is super popular. Everyone around the world, or a lot of people around the world know who he is. Why wouldn't you do that? Or Kim Kardashian. If you had Kim Kardashian, use it as a keyword. Why not?
Well, so my thought is, that was my initial thought. It's good to know that my intuition is spot on. But the flip side is that, well, now I have to compete. Neil Patel has probably 100 million impressions on the web. Now I have to compete against there's a lot more competition, right?
Yeah, but that's okay. There's also a lot more search traffic too. So you'll get a portion of that and it all adds up.
Fair. Good point. How important do you think it is for podcasters and content creators to create separate posts for each podcast episode? Or should I just have a single podcast page? Easier to do that. I just have a single podcast page with an embedded player.
You need a page for each episode, assuming each episode could be detailed, descriptions, reviews, all that kind of good stuff. The reason I asked you that question, again, because I wasn't fully paying attention, and it was because of this. Check this out. What is the most searched query on Google worldwide? All right, so number 1 is a brand. Number 2 is a brand. That's YouTube, Facebook. Number 3 is Google. That's a brand. 4, WhatsApp web. I'll count that as a brand because it's WhatsApp. They just want to use the web version. 5 is weather. Let's not count that. Gmail is a brand. That's 5 now. Translate is not a brand. Amazon's a brand. That's 6. Google Translate, they're just looking to translate stuff. That's not a brand. Instagram is a brand. So 7 out of 10 of the most popular searches on Google, I'm assuming you can still see my screen, are brands. So people are brands as well. Search volumes for people go through the roof.
Thanks for watching Mark Savant Media. Here we're going to help you create better content in less time and turn that attention into income. If you love this video, you're going to love these videos here. Click the one. Me and my team specially selected this just for you. Click the link, check out the video. I'll catch you here next time on Mark Savant Media. Peace.